What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, it's another mystery box unboxing. This, guys, is the Xiaomi 15,000 peso mystery box, or that's like $300 from Poundit. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away 5 Vans sneakers, 4 of which I think are collab sneakers, which makes them so much more rarer and more valuable. All you guys have to do to join, number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, hit the notification bell. Number 3, make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. And number 4, click the link down below to see the rest of the mechanics. Go! Let's jump right into it. I have my off-white Nike toolkit over here, and as you guys know, this has the off-white Nike X-Acto knife, which we'll use to unbox this mystery box. So let's take this open, and while I'm doing this, I'll talk over like a few points. So as most of you guys know who watch me do unboxings like this came from the site Poundit. So Poundit is like an e-commerce website based here in the Philippines. They do mostly tech products like this one, and they've been killing it since they launched like a few months back. Now, if you guys want to shop from Poundit, I actually have great news for you. They were kind enough to hook us up with a whopping 1,000 peso or $20, is that 20? Yeah, $20 discount off your next purchase. So all you guys have to do to be able to enjoy that is actually go down below to the description box and you will find the discount code as well as the link to Poundit. So make sure that if you guys are planning on buying like any gadgets, make sure to take advantage of the 1,000 peso off courtesy of this vlog and Poundit. Let's go back to the unboxing. And just like the other Poundit boxes that we did unboxings of, all of the items inside come wrapped in like brown carton paper, as you guys can see here. So as you guys can see, there's a ton of stuff inside this box, and I'm excited to get to checking out all the cool stuff inside this mystery box. So let's start with this big item over here. So as you guys can see, this is the first time I'm seeing everything on this box, by the way. So you and me are seeing this all for the first time. Now it does come in this brown carton like wrapper. So let's just take this out so we can see what's inside the first item of the Xiaomi mystery box. So the first item is, let's take a look. Oh, it is a Xiaomi, what is it? It's a Xiaomi Smart Kettle. So the Xiaomi Smart Kettle, what does it do? it is a kettle that heats water, it heats whatever, and it can actually connect to your app. Compatible with Android, iOS, and it contains a power base, a user manual, and yeah, so if you are into like coffee and stuff, and you want to use like a smart kettle for, for a change, then this one is pretty good. By the way, if you guys are thinking of building a smart home, and when I say smart home, like your entire house is controlled by your voice or your phone, you definitely have to check out the products of Xiaomi. They have a wonderful range of smart home products that are affordable, won't break the bank, and are all connected like this smart kettle. The second item that we have is some sort of like long pillar. I'm guessing that this is going to be like a lamp because I really can't think of anything else Xiaomi that's this long. So let's just rip apart the, oh yeah, I got it right. Guys, this is the Xiaomi Mi Lamp. And this one actually won, it's written here. It won the Good Design Award in 2016 and the Gold Award for 2017 for overall design. So it looks sleek, it looks nice. It's all white with that pop of red at the back, kind of hype beast, if you know what I mean. Kind of like off-white with like the red zip tag. So the great thing about this one is, again, you can control it with your smartphone. It does have like all of those cool sensors. So yeah, it's just a really nice, sleek smart lamp that you can put on your desk or in your living room. So that's the second item. We have the Xiaomi Mi Lamp. Next up, we have 4 small items in brown wrapping papers. So I am thinking that these are most likely power banks because Xiaomi are pretty well known for the quality of the power banks that they ship. So let's start with this one first. So let's confirm if my guess is right that this is a Xiaomi or a Mi power bank. I remember when they first came out, well, at least here in the Philippines, they really sold a lot because it was one of the first few times that we saw like power banks selling for like 599 pesos here in the Philippines, which was kinda for 10,000 milliamperes. So that was kinda cheap, at least when it first came out. Oh, I'm mistaken. It's not the Xiaomi power bank. This is actually the Mi Band 2. So if you guys are looking for like fitness trackers, you know, the stuff that actually tracks your steps, tells you the time, and gives you other health metrics, this is a great alternative to like the more expensive fitness trackers out in the market today. And it does play well with your Android device, with your iOS device. It does everything that usually more expensive fitness trackers do at a more affordable price. So there you have it. This is the Mi Band 2. Next up, we have another small package over here. So probably this is the power bank. I'm kind of like holding out for a power bank because I really want a small power bank to add to my tech arsenal. So next we have, it's not the power bank, it's the Mi Motion-Activated Nightlight. So the great thing about this particular device is that you can just set it in areas where you come into a room where it's dark, and when it senses your feet or movement, it starts to glow and it lights up. So best use case examples would probably be either your living room or your, I don't know, your bathroom, and maybe your bedroom. So those are really nice situations wherein this would be really nice. Or even like your closet. When you pop the closet open, and this can like turn on depending on the movement that it senses. Again, you have the Mi Motion Activated Nightlight. We have two more small items. Let's go with this one next. It's like another small package, and I'll keep the smallest package for last because who knows, that might be really nice. I just took a quick look at the bag. There's also still a bunch more of stuff there. So hold on to your horses, guys, because we still have a lot of stuff to unbox from the Xiaomi mystery box. Next up, it's still not the power banks. So next up, we have, it's earphones. We have the Mi earphones. Is it the Mi earphones? The Mi in-ear headphones Pro in silver. Now, I haven't honestly tried this out yet, so I don't know how it sounds like. I used to be some sort of like audiophile when I used to be so heavy into the tech unboxing. So I really want to test this out, and I'll probably do like a review since it's been a while since I did an audio review, so I'm excited for that. But just off the bat, it looks really nice. I mean, take a look at that. Take a look at the steel aluminum build and that bar in the middle. It just looks really nice. I like how the gray, metallic gray, steel gray plays off with the black, which gives it nice contrast and a really slick, angas look. So there you have it, guys. This is the Mi Headphones Pro. Like what I mentioned, we saved like the best for, well, not necessarily the last, but at least from the small items in the paper package. This is probably the power bank. Is it? Is it the power bank? It is not the power bank. What? We have alkaline batteries. I never knew that Xiaomi sold alkaline batteries. Huh. So we have Xiaomi Rainbow AAA batteries. So if you take a closer look, it does come in your Roy G. Biv color. And yeah, it's AAA batteries from Xiaomi that are color-coded. So that was a surprise. That one I did not expect at all. So, wow, okay, so cool. Next up, we have what looks to be a smartphone. This definitely isn't a power bank because it is quite big. And this was probably the item that will bump the value of the overall mystery box above the 15,000 peso price mark. So let's take a look at what's inside. My guess is that this is the Mi Note 7. Well, it's definitely a smartphone, guys, just by taking a look at the back. So it's not the Mi Note 7. It's the Mi A2. Oh, it's the Android One Xiaomi smartphone. This is nice. This is the Xiaomi Mi 2 A2. And the great thing about this one is that it already packs Android One. Android One is like a clean version of, well, Android. So it doesn't have like your overlays or UIs of other branches of Xiaomi. So this one is clean stock Android that's inside the smartphone. So this is the 64GB model, the EU model, so it's not in Chinese. We don't have to sideload like Google Play and all that stuff. It's in color black. And wow, that was pleasant. If I'm not, yeah, I remember this properly. This is the one with the dual camera setup at the back. and it also has like a 20 megapixel front-facing camera, and it packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. So yeah, that's a pretty good smartphone. Definitely not something that I was expecting. I was expecting your typical like Redmi Note. Well, it's not typical because the Note 7 is nice, but you get what I mean. So yeah, that was a nice addition. At least we have a smartphone to go with the mystery box. We have one last item in the mystery box, and this is an obvious backpack, or at least a messenger bag, or at least a bag. So let me try to find how to open this paper bag. Oh, so it's a Ziploc bag. So let's just pop this open, and here you have it. It's a black Yours by Design Xiaomi backpack. So it looks really nice. It's really sleek. It looks nice. It's a black backpack by Xiaomi. Now, the great thing about backpacks from Xiaomi, now let me do justice to it, is that it has multiple compartments built really for gadgets. So it is a great everyday work backpack that you can bring with you that's still kind of inconspicuous, so it doesn't scream for attention, it's not too loud. So you should be able to protect like all the gadgets and devices that you put in here. So just hear me out. So you have like a laptop compartment here at the very back. So you have that compartment for the laptop, and then you have a secondary compartment for all of your accessories, your cables, your notebooks, whatever it is that you want to put. And you even have another compartment here at the front for all of your everyday carry essentials. Again, the Yours by Design black backpack. So guys, let's go over all of the items again and talk the pricing and see if it breached or it went past the 15,000 peso price point for the mystery box. First up, we have the Xiaomi Mi A2 with Android One. This is the 64 gigabyte model in black, and this one sells for 9,104 pesos on the Poundit website. That's roughly 180 US dollars if I'm not mistaken. Definitely great value for money, and as expected, the smartphone kind of made up for bulk of the overall cost or value of the mystery box. So that's the first item. Next up, we have the Mi Band 2. Where's the Mi Band 2? We have the Mi Band 2. This one sells for 1,099 pesos, roughly like 20 US dollars, with this nifty fitness tracker that you guys can pair with the smartphone already. Next up, we have the business backpack. Oh, it's called the Mi Business Backpack. And this one sells for 995 pesos, or roughly $20. Not bad for a backpack. You saw the quality, you saw the attention to detail that they put into this particular backpack. Really nice, guys. Next, we have the Mi Earphones Pro Silver. So this is the one. And this one goes for 899 pesos, roughly, I don't know, like 15, say 18 US dollars. Definitely a nice one. I'm still thinking if, I still have my doubts because I haven't tried it yet. But yeah, we will definitely check this out once we have the chance to do so. Then we have the Motion-Activated Nightlight. This one sells for 420 pesos, roughly around $8 or less than $10. This one, that's the Mi Motion-Activated Nightlight. Then we have the Mi Rainbow AAA batteries, which sell for 150 pesos, $3. Then we have the Mi Desk Lamp. This one goes for 1,590 pesos. And lastly, we have the Smart Kettle, the one that I did not expect at all. So the Smart Kettle goes for 1,699 US dollars, roughly $30. Everything combined, if you add all of them up, it equals to 15,956 pesos. So we went beyond the value of 15,000 by a little less than 1,000 pesos. So that's definitely great value for money if you need all of the items in the box. So again, that's the thing with mystery boxes, guys. They're fun for entertainment, they're fun for content, for the vlog. They're fun to do for, you know, for you guys when I do it here on the channel. But if you really think about it, should you buy a mystery box? If you're the normal person, the answer is definitely no. But if you are looking for great gadgets at great prices, all original and authentic with warranty, you definitely have to check out Poundit. So again, the link to Poundit can be found down below, and they did hook us up with a 1,000 peso discount. So again, details of that can be found in the description box and pinned in the comments section. That wraps up our Xiaomi mystery box unboxing from Poundit. The total price of the box was 15,000 pesos. The total value of the items inside was 15,956 pesos. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure that you are also following us over at Instagram. And again, we are giving away 5 Vans sneakers 4 of which I think are collaborations. So if you are looking for new kicks, if you are looking for new sneakers, make sure that you guys join that one by hitting the link down below in the description box so you can be part of the raffle once we draw the winners. And lastly, I did announce before that I will be doing a Realme 3 smartphone giveaway. I will be doing that. Let me just finish first with the Vans sneakers giveaway, then we'll do this one, and after that I even have more giveaways lined up for you guys. So please make sure that you are subscribed, please make sure that you are following me on IG, and make sure that you are part of the notification squad so you can be part of our giveaways, all of our giveaways, because we do a lot of giveaways on this channel. Guys, that's it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up, you know it, boom.